Hello, my name is Michael Hoch, and I would like to introduce to you the Cultural Coalition program. Cultural Coalition is a cross-disciplinary science and art engagement and networking program with a special emphasis on educational methodologies. Cultural Coalition creates a dialogue hub with artists and scientists with a goal to inspire students, school students, and invite them to actively participate in this cross-disciplinary dialogue. It is designed to trigger curiosity, enhance creativity, foster critical thinking, and help school students to create their own artistic reflections on scientific and technological topics. This scientific program allows the next generation to get prepared for the challenges of the 21st century. The Cultural Coalition program has always three different phases. Phase number one starts with a cross-disciplinary science and art exhibition, and we use the exhibition as a networking and engagement hub with the real scientists and real artists. In this framework, the scientists and the artists run lectures and workshops for the students. Second phase, the school students do their own research and work at school on their artworks, guided by the art teachers and supervised by the physics teachers. In this period, the science community as well as the art community provides further support, both digital and personal. Third phase is organized as an exhibition of the artistic results in the acquiring of the school students. The creative expressions on their scientific topics may appear as sculptures, as paintings, as theater, lyrics, music, dance, videos. All possible expressions are welcome. We already had amazing cultural coalition collaborations in Canada, in Switzerland, in Montenegro. Right now we have it in Bosnia and Herzegovina. In addition to the Cultural Coalition Bosnia and Herzegovina program, it is very special due to the COVID-19 situation. We run it entirely online. And in the current program, we have more than 130 students participating, creating 11 working groups in Bosnia out of 6 different cities and various cities in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The overall theme on the Bosnia program is science and art connecting people. And this is what I like to present in the Reparatur der Zukunft. Moreover, I would like to emphasize that we run Cultural Coalition programs not just for school students, but also with various art universities in Europe and North America. Thank you.